Hi Blake, it's Tammy Munson, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of help on what it was that you did wrong with this database. You have to follow the assessments in order when you're working in Access, or there are some things that are not going to work. For instance, relationships are based on the original data that's in the database, and so you had to do assessment 1 and create those relationships first between client ID, claims, and the coverage tables. So when you went into database tools and relationships, you had to add those 3 tables to the database, and you had to make those relationships first. In order to make the relationships, you can't have any other tables open. Excuse me. And what the problem was, is you jumped all the way down to step 3, and you deleted Harold McDougall, Vernon Cook, and you changed Paul Vuong's number. So I had to go back into the claims table or clients table. I had to add Harold McDougall back in. I had to add Vernon Cook back in here. And then I also had to change Paul Vuong's number back to 4300. Once I did that, those records match the records that you find in these other tables. See, there's 4300. When you changed that number before you created the relationship, now it can't join because the fields aren't the same. So if I close these 2 tables, and you can see by the relationships window, we were able to create all of the relationships once we added those 3 records back in there. So I created your relationship report for you, which is right here. Now you've completed step 1, you've completed step 2. Now we can go in and we can edit and delete records like it says because the tables are joined together. So now I can go to the claims table and it says I'm supposed to delete, actually I've got to go to the clients table, sorry. It says I have to delete Harold McDougall, so I can delete him. And I am also supposed to delete Vernon Cook, so I can delete him. And then I'm supposed to change Paul Vuong's number from 4300 to 2560. Sorry, 2560. 2560. Okay, so once I do that, it says open the claims table and then close the table. So I'm going to go ahead and close my clients table. It says open the claims table. Notice 7335 is gone. Notice Harold McDougall, who was 9879, is gone. And notice that Paul Vuong's number has been changed from 4300 to 2560. And that's because it did the cascade update and cascade deletes with those records with the relationship. If you have any questions, let me know. And hopefully this helps you be done with assessment or chapter 2's projects and you can move on to chapter 3's. Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions, Blake. Bye-bye.